Well, hello, my Algebra 1 students. I hope you've actually done these problems before you looked at me doing the answers. But here we go. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. X to the 6 times x to the 7. When you multiply two things same base, you add the powers. So that would be y to the 21. Ooh! Next one. X to the 6 times x to the 4th is x to the 10th. When you multiply two things same base, you add. Now you could move this down, but it's y to negative 2, but a negative power means move it down. So there's different ways of doing this. I hope you know. This, reduce the fraction. 3 goes into both. There's 6 x's on top. It cancels with 6 of these x's, so you have x. 10 of these cancel with 10 of these, so it'd be y to the 10th. When you divide, you subtract the powers. Now, I like to move it most of the time when I have a negative. So I'm going to move this one down because it has a negative power. This stays alone because it doesn't have a negative. This stays on the bottom because it doesn't have a negative. But this gets moved up because it does have a negative. Now they're both on the same level, so it's just y to the 12th. When you multiply two things same base, you add. And then x to the 16th. Now, distribution. So 6 times 3 is 18, x to the 8th, x to the 4th. Now, I threw this in just to throw you. There are no y's, so just be y to the 10th. Plus, 6 times 5 is 30, x to the 10th, because 8 plus 2, and then it'd be 24, x to the 9th. Woohoo! Now FOIL, x and x is x squared, 6x minus 3x is 3x, and then 6 times negative 3 is minus 18, x and x is x squared, minus 5x minus 6x is minus 11x, and minus 5 times minus 6 is plus 30. Woohoo! Now, let's go back. More foiling. X and 3x is 3x squared. Minus 15x plus 5x is minus 10x. And then minus 25 from the 5 times 5, and positive negative is negative. Then I have a square on my binomial, so I write it twice. There we go. So, it would be 5x and 5x is 25x squared. 4 and 5 is 20x. 20x is 40x. And 4 and 4 is 16. Oh, goodness. Now we got this big problem. X and x squared is x cubed. X and 6x is 6x squared. X and 2 is 2x. Now distribute the 3. It'd be 3x squared plus 18x plus 6. So it'll be x cubed plus 9x squared plus 20x plus 6. Woohoo! Now GCF, you start off by saying what numbers 16, 14, and 12 goes in all three of those, and it's 2. Then if x is in every term, it's its smallest power, so it'd be x to the 12th. So it'd be 8x to the 4th plus 7x to the 2 plus 6. Then this 5x to the 5th goes into every term, so it'd be 4x to the 15th plus 2x to the 5th plus 1. Don't forget the 1. 1 times this is this. Then this, 6 and 7 have nothing in common, so it's the x is in both terms, so it'd be x squared. So it'd be 7x minus 6. Woohoo! This is pretty quick. So it'll be x plus 3, x minus 3. Difference of squares. What are you squaring plus what you're squaring? 3 squared is 9. So this would be 5 plus x, 5 minus x. What am I squaring? It would be x squared plus y cubed x squared minus y cubed. Now this is the tough one. Ew, tricky. But this is 7x to the fifth. So it's 7x to the fifth plus 6 squared is 36. So it'd be 7x to the fifth minus 6x to the sixth. Then this is what we started with on Friday. X squared is just x and x. The last term is plus, so they're both the same as the middle. In this case, plus and plus. And the factors of 5 that add up to 6 are 5 and 1. Woohoo! So x squared is x and x. Plus means both signs are the same as the middle, which is plus. And the factors of 12 that add up to 7 are 4 and 3. I'm a cranking now, kids. So, oops, 2 more to go. So x squared is x and x. That's free points. Last term's plus, so both signs are the same as the middle. And the factors of 6 that add up to 5 are 3 and 2. And the last one, x squared is x and x. Last term is plus, so they're both same as the middle. The factors of 20 are 4 and 5. Woohoo! Thank you very much. Have a good day.